Hi guys! So for today's video, I'm going to take you with me as I get ready for my new normal daily makeup. Alam niyo naman yung new normal natin, kailangan meron tayong face mask palagi. And syempre kahit may face mask, I still wanna be kikay into my face and I still wanna look good somehow and feel good kahit naka face mask or tago yung kalahati ng face, diba? Just gonna prep my skin. It's just a face mask. So, dahil hindi naman makikita yung full face natin, my new normal base would be a BB cream. Actually, what's the point of putting foundation or BB cream kung hindi naman makikita yung face or something like that? Pero, you know, it's for self-fulfillment. So, I'm going to use itong Eye White BB Holic Everyday BB Cream. It's very light, but it's light, but, you know, I want something to even out my skin tone. More than showing off the face, I want to do this for myself because I feel good if alam kong I look good or inayos ko yung sarili ko or ano yan, gets nyo na yun. Ba't ko tong BB cream na to? Because it's light and somehow wala naman siyang white cast. Pimple. So next I'm going to do is yung kilay ko. And you guys, ngayong may new normal na tayo, sa mga kikay dyan, ang medyo out na muna ang mga lipsticks and all that. I think lahat ng concentration when you're getting ready is sa eyes and sa kilay. Next is, dahil ito lang kita sa atin, I'm going to make sure na naka-contour ng bonggang-bongga ang nosicles natin. Para yung mukha talagang matangos. I swear you guys, if you connect your eyebrows, yung contour eyebrows with the nose, it's gonna create a difference. Ayan o. Parang lumalim yung dito mo. So, para kang may bridge talaga. And then, ang labanan ngayon ay sa eyes. Pero, dahil daily makeup to, hindi naman ako everyday nag-eyeshadow talaga, but I make sure I'm just using yung Careline contour stick. I make sure na kahit papaano may something dun sa eyes ko, lalo na yung parang dito sa upper part. Palalalimin natin ng bonggang-bongga. Wala kang dalang brown eyeliner, so I'm just going to use itong eyebrow pen, medyo brownish. And then, lalagyan ko lang yung ilalim ng lash line ko para mas magmukhang malaki yung eyes ko. And then, dadamay ko na rin yung taas. dagdagan niyang since I'm using a cream, mas mukha siyang subtle and natural looking. Then, maglalagay ako ng eyeliner. I just usually do a baby wing line. And then, alam mo yung parang kalahati lang ng eyes ko yung nilalagyan ko. Mascara. And then just concentrating lalo na sa outer side. Now for the blush, since hindi naman masyadong makikita tong area na to, we're going to focus it here sa ilalim ng eyes. Alam niyo yung ginawa ko before, yung drunk blush Igari style or the Japanese style, wherein it's not really here but more on sa ilalim ng eyes. And you guys, the product I'm going to use is itong Revlon Kiss Cloud Blotted Lip Color. Gagawa ko ng video ng lahat ng mga lip products na nakuha ko or na-acquire ko over the past few weeks, lalo na nag-sale yung Lazada. I'm going to do a lip haul. And isasama ko to. I hope you don't mind, but I'm gonna use it today. This is actually for the lips. Teka, pakita ko muna. And you guys, very comparable kay Sunny's Face, kay Happy Skin. Actually, mas malambot pa siya or mas airy feeling pa siya kaysa dun sa dalawang yan. Do you want me to do a wear test on this? Although hindi niya kiniklaim na super duper long lasting siya. Pero, sa sobrang light niya, you can also use it on your cheeks, I believe. Actually, parang meron nga ako nakakita na may mga gumawa na ng review nito sa YouTube and they actually used it on their cheeks. And totoo naman. Pwede nga naman siya sa cheeks kasi it's so lightweight. So ito ang gagamitin ko because I really like the color. Warm brown reddish tone. So when you say Igari style, we're going to focus it sa under eyes. And then slowly but surely build up the color. And then, lalagyan din natin ng slight yung dito sa gilid. Ayan na. And then, lagay tayo ng konti dito. Although matatakpan naman yun ng bangs ko, pero and then a little bit here sa gilid. Just a little bit. Highlight. Ito lang sa taas yung i-highlight ko. This one, lalo na. And then inner corners, you do this all, and then you try to highlight your you try to highlight your eye bags. Next I'm going to do is my hair kasi yun na lang yung pwede natin ayusin. So, we are done! Parang nagda-darken yung ano ko dahil sa face mask, yung ilaw. Hindi ito masyadong glam because this is like a daily pang-office na ano, na makeup look or whatever. So yeah, thank you so much for joining me. Kahit simple lang ang video natin today. I hope kahit papaano I was able to give you an idea what you can do kahit na naka-face mask kayo on a daily basis. Syempre iba usapan if you want a full glam eye makeup. Yon, maraming options doon. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.